Okay, in this question here, we are given the equation of a rodent population. And so this rodent population is given by this equation here, where R stands for the number of rodents, T stands for number of years since 1972. So I want to find out how many rodents are expected in 2015. So these are time factors. So I'm given some factor of time and I want to know how many rodents, which means I'm solving for R. So since 1972, so 2015, take away 1972. So I want to figure out how many years that is since 1972. So that would be 43 years later. So that is a t value. So what I'm going to do is go into my formula and I'm looking for 43 years. So 1300 plus 300 sine of pi times t all over 2. Now, this formula here, we're going to enter into the main screen of our calculator because we know what our x is, so we can just plug it in. Now, the pi there is a really big hint that it's in radians, but I want you to know that all word problems for trigonometry are always going to be in radians. So even though there was a pi there that really gave it away, I want you to know that they're always going to be in radians. Okay, so let's go into our calculator and we're just literally going to punch this in. So I'm going to go 1300 and then add that to 300 multiplied by sine to that. Now let's use our fraction template. And I'm going to do pi times 43. So pi times 43, and that will all be over 2. And the big question here is going to be, how do we round this? Okay, so you can see here, oh, that worked out super nicely because pi over 2 sine of pi over 2, of course, is 1. So that worked out super nicely as 1,000. So over here, I'm going to say that there will be 1,000 rodents expected. And that would be my final answer.